Okay, hi guys, hope you're good. Um, Now I'm going to show you how to do it's like a hot foot powder, more of a revengeful, I would say, type of blend. And you're going to need a few more extra herbs with this one. We're going to use our same black pepper, sea salt, whole chilies, extra hot, brown or black mustard seeds, white poppy seeds, crushed chilies, cayenne pepper, and this here is some Chipotle Chili flakes, hot. Right, so as I said, it's going to be more of a revengeful type of blend, um, more of a destruction type. Okay, so it's like the regular hot foot powder, you keep people away, situations at bay, things like that. This blend would also cause some type of revenge on the target. Okay, so you're gonna need a jar, doesn't matter what size, and you're gonna clean it. I've really cleansed mine with some Florida water, and I've smudged it as well with some incense. So we're gonna go ahead and put in black pepper, and sea salt, got your cayenne pepper, got your chipotle chili flakes. These are all very hot herbs. We've got the chilies, crushed chilies. Okay, so we've got that blend in there. Now we're going to add the brown mustard seeds, or black mustard seeds. And what the black or brown mustard seeds mixed with the white poppy seeds, that causes that's going to cause confusion. Right, if that causes confusion, it's going to keep whoever away. And this blend's going to teach someone a lesson, I suppose, if you want to say it like that. You can add the whole chilies in there. I'm just going to shake that up. And now with this blend, what you're going to do with it, you're going to put the person's name, date of birth, a picture if you've got one, and you're gonna put your intentions into doing this as well, okay? Because 90% of doing this type of work is your intentions anyway. So you're gonna put your intentions when you're writing down everything, and you're gonna put the bit of paper. You can write it on a bit of brown paper, and you're gonna put it inside the jar, and you're gonna give it a good old shake. And as you're shaking the jar, then you're gonna tell the jar what you want happen to the target. If it's to keep them away from you, so they won't stop, so they'll stop bothering you, or a situation, someone keeps calling you, just keep people at bay. This sort of thing would assist you in doing that. And this has got a lot more different types of herbs in it, and it's gonna cause confusion as well. And as I said, it's more of a revengeful type of hot foot powder type of blend. Okay, so she looks like this, right? So yeah, I'm gonna put a list of the ingredients in the comments, well, just below the video. You can leave a comment or ask a question. I'll get back to you. Or if you just want to buy it, I've got it on my Etsy store, so you can actually go there and get it if you can't get your hands on these products. But you should be able to get this from your local supermarket. Okay, so hope this video helps somebody, and speak to you soon. Bye.